Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the simplest causes, battery and Bluetooth. Make sure both earbuds and your phone are charged above about 20% because low power can trigger pause behavior. Once done, turn Bluetooth off on the phone and on again, and if pausing continues, forget the device and repair to reset the link. Also move closer, within 3 to 10 meters, and remove obvious interference sources like crowded Wi-Fi or microwave ovens so the connection becomes stable before proceeding. Next, address software and power management causes. Update the earbuds firmware and the companion app. Manufacturers often fix auto-pause bugs in updates. Make sure your phone is not aggressively killing background audio. Disable battery optimization for the music or streaming app and for Bluetooth services. If available, set the audio codec to a stable option like AAC or aptX rather than a fluctuating low-latency mode. These changes reduce sudden pauses caused by software conflicts or codec negotiation issues. Finally, rule out physical issues and perform final isolation tests. Clean the charging contacts and any proximity or wear sensors on the earbuds with a small alcohol wipe. Dirt can falsely trigger pause functions. Then test the earbuds with a second phone or laptop to see if the problem follows the earbuds or the original device. If it follows the earbuds, perform a factory reset per the manual. If pauses still happen after a reset, contact manufacturer support. There may be a hardware fault requiring repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.